Oh! Percy's driver had taken away the trousers and given Percy a good rub down.
Ha! Oh! Oh! Ow! Get on, you! Coo! Ha! Ha! Oh! Pa! Quack! 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 Nay, do... That night, Donald's driver and fireman got busy. Will. Oh, really? Oh, cinders and ashes.
Good morning.
Goodness gracious. Mind my eyes. Beep, beep, poop, poop. Rubbish. What a clever plan. Bird brain. Rubbish. Ouch! Take that. Ooh, go faster. Slow down.
Fiddlesticks. Grrr, up. Grrr, ah, grush. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Mind your backs.
Buzz off. Ooh, ah, phew.
Eee! Pa.
Okay. Hiss. Aha. Shh.
Good gracious. Look sharp.
Yaboo snubs.
Hip hip. Hooray. Bossy buffers. I do not run a jam factory. Wake up, lazy wings. Lovely stuff.
That would never suit his grace, you impertinent scallywags. Ooh! Excuse me. Shh. Impudent scallywags.
Rubbish.
Juke. Fuddy-duddy.
Beep, beep.
Humph.
Peep, peep, pip. This is the day. Poor old engine. Fiddlesticks.
Whatever next? Ooh!
Pa. Beep. Hurry up, please. Stop. Hooray.
Well, chicky chopper. Faster. No. Hurrah. Beep. Bust my buffers. For me, sir. How nice, sir. What is it, sir?
Beep, pip, beep.
Hello. Wake up, lazy bones.
What? When?
Rubbish.
Sure. I've got cramp.
Who are you? No. One. We have one. Where is he going?
Bust my boiler. Clunk. Thump. Stop. Toot. Disgraceful. Disgusting. Despicable. Ooh. Oh. Help. Rubbish. Wheesh. Oh. Push. Be quiet. Silent. Bust my buffers. Beep. Shh. Beep. Beep. Ooh. Well. Beep. Rubbish. Pa. Toodle. Grr. Bother. Pa. Rubbish. Pa. Ooh. Pa. Huh. Silence. Huh. Aberforth. Pa. Ooh. Aberforth. Ho. Aberforth. Huh. Pa. Get out of my way. Phew. Huh. Silence. Oh no. On. Faster. Stupid bird. Ghosts. Oh. Smine. Smell. Oh my. Grease and oil. Oh. What's that? Oh no. Oh pa. Oh no. Yes. Oh, yes. Why not? Phew. What's the matter now? What? What? Oh, yes. Help. Despicable. Disgusting. Whirlybird. Oh, Oh, yes. Look. What? Where's that? Botheration. Toodle peep. Surprise. Oh, no. Ooh, how lovely. Hey. Ooh. Yikes. Woo. No. Oh, no. Yikes. Oh, no. Break it. Snap it. Avalanche.
Well.
Hope.
Moaned Gordon, and then fell as silent as the snow.